Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay. Sinabi ho sa inyo kahapon, tinanong ho kayo, when is there failure to liquidate? Sinabi niyo ho, pag may incomplete submission ng documents, there is failure to liquidate. Tama po ba?
Can I clarify po? Baka,
Sige, ulitin ko na lang yung tanong sa'yo ngayon. Kailan ho ba natin masasabi under 8.3 ng JC that there is a failure to liquidate?
kasi po dito sa OBP, pag po kasi yung notice of disallowance na issue na, babalik siya as part ng unliquidated cash advance ng SDO.
Okay. So, I will stop you there, ha? Sorry. Kailan mo masasabi na may failure to liquidate? Kapon no sinabi nyo, kahit nag-liquidate, pero may incomplete submission ng documents. Totoo po ba yan? Pinapanindigan nyo o binabago yun yung statement na yan ngayon?
Ang kwan ko po dun is yung failure to liquidate is, yun nga po, pag na-ND na siya at naibalik na to sa book. So, may magpo-form part ng unliquidated cash advance. So, lalabas siya na failure to liquidate.
So, okay. Kahit yung reason ng ND is incomplete submission of documents.
Kasi nga po, yung...
Hindi, as answer me, para ano lang tayo, no?
Your
Kahit
Honor,
nakalagay-
argumentative already. This witness was asked, what do you mean by failure to liquidate? And she answered.
Kaya nga,
You're not arguing with the witness, Your Honor.
Modify your question, counsel.
okay. Sinabi nyo that, there's failure to liquidate pag meron ng ND. Okay. So, follow-up question, kahit yung ND, yung ground niya is incomplete submission of documents. Meron pa rin failure to liquidate, tama?
Opo, kasi nga, magiging form siya ng unliquidated cash advance
Okay.
ng SDO.
Thank you. Okay. So, dyan sa 8.3, nakita nyo ba ho may citation ho yan sa gilid? Yung Supreme Court case na Antonio Martinez versus People and Sandigan Bayan, GR number 126413, dated August 20, 1999. Nakita nyo ba yung citation na yan?
Hindi ko po siya nabasa.
Hindi nyo po siya nabasa. Okay. Okay, so, do you know that that case involves a former OIC and acting mayor of Caloocan City who failed to submit liquidation of his cash advances upon demand by the treasurer?
Ask and answered, Your Honor. This
Hindi
witness
niya alam.
says she does not
She
know
did
this
not read
case.
it, counsel.
Okay. So, in short, yung citation dyan sa 8.3, hindi nyo alam yung legal basis kasi hindi nyo nabasa yung Martinez case.
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
Okay, hindi.
Asked and answered.
Okay, I will take that as a no, Your Honor. Now, okay. Do you agree that the COA is an independent constitutional commission?
Yes po.
Okay. It was established under Article 9D of the Constitution.
Improper for cross, Your Honor.
Your Honor, she's from COA. So,
Assisting counsel, kindly give the paper that fell. If she knows. Silene, if you know.
Yes po, COA is an independent body po.
okay. So, in that case, COA should be free from political pressure. Tama? In your own opinion.
COA po is an independent body. Wala po. Opo, independent.
Free dapat siya from legislative inference.
Opo, independent po ang COA.
And free dapat siya from executive control.
Your Honor, please ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
Independent body. That's what independent body means.
Your Honor, please,
I'll give
we are
her some
asking
I'll give her
sets
some
of
leeway for
questions.
emphasis, counsel.
Okay, so
Please answer the question, Silene. Independent from the executive.
Yes po.
Okay. So, it is important that the COA's findings be solely based on its procedures and evidence. Do you agree with that?
Yes po.
Okay. And any information that is obtained outside, should be verified by appropriate audit procedures. Tama?
The question is vague. What does
Ask and
counsel
answer,
mean?
Your Honor. already.
Asked and answered, and I know where she's going at.
Yes.
Get to it, counsel.
Okay. And yet, yung second ND po ninyo, no, inadapt niyo po yung supposed results of investigation dun sa CGGPA hearings. Tama?
Kasi po, ito po,
Ang tama, yes or no lang po.
Your Honor,
Nag-adapt-
don't answer. The question is misleading. This witness is being asked if she adopted the findings. No, Your Honor. This witness just said that there was an there was an admission by Gina Acosta herself. What findings is she talking about?
Your Honor,
I think she's referring to the notice of disallowance of March 31, 2026, where it's stated in the second paragraph that they, after evaluation and with due consideration of the evidence given during the CGGPA hearings. I think that's what you're leading to, counsel. It's a valid question.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, I was about to quote the findings in the ND had the good counsel not stopped me.
It's a valid
from doing
question
so.
because they quoted it themselves in the notice of disallowance.
Yes, Your Honor. So, eto bang mga findings ninyo with respect to La Chica? Natanong niyo po ba si La Chica kung totoo ito?
we base lang po sa naging admission under oath ni Miss Gina Acosta dun sa hearing.
Okay. How about si Colonel Nolasco? Tinanong niyo ba kung tama yung mga pinagsasabi about sa kanya, no, doon sa hearing ng CGGPA?
We base lang po dun sa naging admission under oath ng CGGPA hearings po.
Okay, salamat po. Okay, let's go back to joint